how to send a friend request on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can send a friend request to someone on Facebook. So let's get it started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open the Facebook app and log in with your account. So simply open the Facebook app, and now from here you will have to go with the options friends. So it will appear on the top navigation bar of Facebook page. So simply you have to go with the options friends, and now from here you will be able to find the option search button. So simply you have to go with the option search button. You usually appear on the top right corner of the friends section. So simply tap on the search button. All right, so in the search field you will have to type the specific name of that person whom you want to send a friend request on Facebook. So in my case I will search Cristiano Ronaldo. All right, so after you find the desired name on Facebook, now from here you will be able to send a friend request on Facebook. So for that you will have to click on that profile section. So simply tap on this profile, and now from here to send a friend request you have to click on that add friend option. So simply tap on this add friend. All right, so as you can see, I have successfully sent a friend request to Cristiano Ronaldo. So likewise, you can also send a friend request on Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method to send a friend request on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.